Let's take a look at this problem. We got 7x to the third minus 48x squared plus 63x plus 10 equals 0. And it says solve each equation using the intersect feature of the T8384. The answer will not change a fraction around to 2 decimal places. You perhaps learned this by hand in college algebra. In my college algebra classes, I usually show it on the calculator. It is important you know how to do it on the calculator. By hand is nice, but most things in life do not come out nice. They do not give you answers of x equals 3, x equals 5, and x equals 7. You get decimals. So technology is a very useful tool in real life. Now, you won't be using a T83, T84, but you'll be using some kind of fancier package. Let's take a look at this on the T83, T84. I'm going to press my y equals. Press clear if you have anything there. Then I got 7x to the third, so let's do 7, then press my x key, caret 3. If you have one of the newer T84s, you have to press your right arrow key to get out of exponent mode at this point. It doesn't hurt to actually if you even do it here. Minus 48x squared, so minus 48x, and then I push my x squared button, plus 63x, plus 10. And you have to come down to y2, so you down arrow to y2, and you have to have a 0 there. This process doesn't work if you don't have a 0 there. Okay, so now I'm going to do a second trace. Choose intersect, number 5. Now our answers are where it crosses the x-axis. Looks like it crossed right here, and right here. I'm not sure what this one is, but we'll see. Notice it's asking for first curve. So I do enter on first curve. I'll do enter on second curve. Comes up and asks me for the guess. I'm going to input an x value close to the answer. Looks like close to 0, so let me put 0 in, and then press enter. Now here we get some kind of decimal. If possible, we want to convert that to a fraction. To convert it to a fraction, we're going to do a second mode, and then you press math, enter, enter. And it looks like our first answer is negative 1/7. And we got 2 more answers, so let's go do it again. We'll do second trace, choose intersect, so press 5. The next one looks like 2, so we do enter on first curve, enter on second curve, and I'll put 2 in for the guess, and then press enter. And it comes back and tells us, yeah, intersection is x equals 2. So that's our second answer. And we got one more. So do second trace, choose intersect, enter on first curve, enter on second curve, looks like 6, maybe 7. We put 6 in, and then press enter. 5. So our next one is x equals 5. So you do not have to input the answer to get the answer. You just have to input an x value close to where it's at. And those would be our 3 answers, negative 1/7, 2, and 5.